Hello guys and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that features some of the craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with our careless driver who rear-ended a parked vehicle and fled the scene. In this video, you're about to see a crazy road rage situation between two drivers. The camera had the right of way as he was exiting the parking lot, but the driver from across the road did not agree, and it was totally unprovoked. Check out this crazy situation.
I'm warning you, get back in your car! Get back in your car!
From Get Back to Let It Be, store that's in conjunction with Rhode Trips and documentary that came out a couple of years ago. It's been extended, so it's going to be open.
I'm not scared!
Lots of good Beatles stuff to see.
Hey!
Don't act like a tough guy if you're not.
I'm ready to back my... I am ready to back myself up!
If you're not, back up. I'll ram your truck, I don't care.
Do it!
Don't fuck with people, okay? You don't
Pay close attention at the camera's right side. The driver in a red car is about to run a red light at the intersection, and he's about to pay a price for it. Judging by the way he drives, you can tell that this guy is totally drunk. And of course, it's no wonder he caused a head-on collision with a parked vehicle, but that's not the worst part. Self-entitled driver used the center lane to pass the rest of the traffic. It's important to keep a safe distance between yourself and other vehicles in traffic, because it may come to a chain crash, and nobody wants that.
And even as he's supposed to be the special presidential envoy. And I just don't agree with your facts. What began with...
You made they took your phone?
Denver Metro audits, right? Denver Metro audits. And on his About page and his community page will be all of his Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, and a way to donate to him because he's going to need an attorney now to file a federal civil rights lawsuit and defend the criminal.
Whenever you're making a turn, you're supposed to indicate. Well, apparently this driver thinks otherwise. SUV driver in front tried to brake check the camera, but he failed miserably because the camera was already making a turn.
Tools, pianos, tires, and much more. Maine.gov/surplus for more info.
It's not just who you know, it's what they know. And
Did you see Kimbella and Erica going on a Twitter war?
Reckless driver in a pickup truck was changing lanes without using his turn signals, but not to mention checking his side mirrors. Of course, situations like these can easily lead to an accident. And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Corona Dashcam channel. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes from this episode. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. If you truly like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that would be greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, please subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. And of course, until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.